Hey y'all, welcome to my channel, Southern Angel Stamping. My name is Tammy. Stay tuned for the drawing for the Plaid giveaway. Hey y'all, welcome back. So in one of my videos, probably a few weeks ago, something like that, I was doing a video and I asked you to put in the comments. I was showing a card, doing some cards. I don't even know, I meant to bring the card out, but anyway, and it had some of this plaid paper. I was using it, and this is some of last year's paper, and I asked you to put in the comments, I love plaid, and that if you put I love plaid in the comment, that I would put your name on a piece of paper and we would draw a winner to get this plaid paper. And here's the paper. That I'm going to be giving away. I wanted to show you. Isn't that pretty? I love these two. Trying to fan it out. My hands are not working. It's very pretty. But Stampin' Up doesn't carry this year. This was last year's product. But this was one of my favorites from last year. And I still use it time to time because it's just so pretty. It's perfect for fall and Christmas. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Wouldn't that make a pretty Christmas card right there? I love it. And it's good heavyweight paper too. So anyway, I got some of this up, putting it in here, and we're going to draw. Now here, I had 3 comments, but only 2 of you, as you see here, only 2 did put on there I love plaid like I asked, and that was This and That with Michelle and It's a Deal, who's Liana. So I wrote your names on some pieces of paper here, and I wrote it down twice. So there was only 2 of you that did do that. There was another lady who did make a comment, and that was Melby's Paper Creation, but you did not say I love plaid. So therefore I can't put you in the drawing because you forgot to say I love plaid, dear. And that wouldn't be fair to the other 2 ladies. But I will try and send you a little something, a card or something though, okay? So I'm gonna fold these up. Okay, just like this. I'm gonna fold them up just the same. So there won't be no cheating. Y'all can watch me do this. Okay, now they're in there. I'm gonna put the lid on. I'm gonna give them a good shake. And we're gonna see who the winner is for the plaid paper. Okay, I got one out. Okay, It's a Deal. Liana, congratulations. Liana. So get in touch with me, Liana. Comment on this video. Let me know that you have seen this by commenting, and within I guess 24 hours, and then I will go from there so that I can get your address. Alrighty, so thank you for watching. Y'all please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you're not a subscriber, and because I'm gonna try to do some little giveaways here and there, so you don't want to miss out on those. So make sure you are a subscriber of mine, and make sure you've clicked that notification bell for all notifications, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching, and see you again soon. Have a blessed day.